Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Canva AI. Yes, and if you are looking for digital content, website, apps, AI tools that are definitely mind-blowing and going to help you by achieving everything in seconds, then definitely these videos and this channel is for you. So subscribe for more such content and let's begin today's video, which is all about the Canva AI. As you can see here, when you click here on create option, you'll see that you have multiple options to create anything that you want to create. Let me show you that if you click on social media, for example, I want to make an Instagram post here. Now I have chosen Instagram post here and it is basically a square shaped Instagram post. Yes. Now there are multiple options which were already present in the Canva, but Canva AI has multiple features and app integrations which are definitely so very good that all you need is Canva and all your work is done into this app. Let me talk about the magic media. If you go here and you search about magic media, you will see that there is a magic media which will be shown here. You just need to click here and you need to enter any words that you need to describe in order to create a media that is an image. Now you have multiple options here, that graphics, videos and 3D. First, let me show you about the magic creation of the images. For example, I want to create solar system, universe, galaxies, something like that. Okay, I want to create solar system and a galaxy. Okay, so I just want to look into that. Yes, so you just need to click here on generate image. So it will create images with the text that you have given to it. And yes, here it is. As you can see here, there are multiple images being shown. So for example, I like this one. I'm going to use this image. Yes, and if you want to add more, you can click here and add this one also. And in this way, you can see here, this is the image which has been generated. We do not need to go to any other app to generate any AI image which you wanted to create, because that is what you were looking for. As you can see here, this has been created with the help of the text that you provided. That's your imagination. Apart from that, this is the simple imagination. I think you can solar system and galaxies with princess, fairy, yeah, like that. Let's just go with that again. So I'm going to click here and generate it. So it's your imagination which you want to create. Example here, as you will see, yes, so you will see that this has been generated, the imagination that was simply your own imagination. Because as you can see here, this is basically a princess in the solar system. Wow, and she's like creating with the magic mind, everything. Now as you click here on the graphics, you will see what you want to create. So for example, I'm going to write the same thing here also, and I'm going to create the graphics. Now it is simply creating that for me, and these graphics are the elements. Now let me take another page here. As you can see here, this is my own imagination. I wanted a princess in the solar system and it has been created. And there are multiple options that you can choose, like this also and this also. Likewise, if you go in the videos, it is not available in my country or account type, but it has been there. Number 4 is the 3D. Now this is the better one. For example, I want to create the same. I'm going to paste it here. Generate 3D. Now that's in 3D image. Now 3D image helps to see everything from every angle. That's a 3D, not a 2D image, which is really definitely very good if you want to make any Instagram post related to 3D image, and if you want to create anything with the use of a 3D effect in the image. So it is creating that. It is also showing you how much time it is taking actually to make it. And as you can see here, it is creating that. Yeah. Oh wow. As you can see here, this is the 3D image which has been generated. This is a type of a little fairy. As you can see here, this is the 3D image. The whole image looks so beautiful. There is a fairy, there is a solar system, everything, and from every angle you can see here, this is a 3D image and it looks so beautiful. For example, you can have this also. By clicking on here, you will see that this is an AI 3D image of a Saturn. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Now in this way, you can see that it has generated magic media, images, graphics, 3D videos can also be created with the help of this. And Canva AI has multiple features. So as you can see here, there is an option which will show you the AI model fusion. Apart from that, there are multiple options you can discover with it, but yes, I'm not going to ignore that for you. Definitely in the upcoming videos you will see that there are multiple ways to use AI, because there are so many apps out there integrated with the Canva AI that you can use perfectly without any other single software and make this for you. Now these are recommended one AI generations that I'm going to tell you one by one in the upcoming video, so that everything is there and you'll get all the information, and how to actually use it is the main idea, is the main goal of every person today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe for more such content in the future. We'll meet you in the next video.